Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials with what I believe is the best spoon and ladle rest available on the market right now. It's none other than the Kook Spoon Rest. Let's get into why this might just be your next favorite kitchen gadget. Now, the Kook Spoon Rest isn't just your average utensil holder. It's designed to keep your countertops clean and your cooking hassle-free. Made from durable, heat-friendly ceramic, this spoon rest is not only sturdy but also adds a splash of color to your kitchen with its vibrant floral design. One of the standout features of the Kook Spoon Rest is its spacious design. It can comfortably hold even large ladles and spatulas, keeping them upright and preventing messy drips on your stovetop or counter. The deep tray ensures that any sauces or oils stay contained, making cleanup a breeze. Crafted from high-quality, stain-resistant ceramic, the Kook Spoon Rest is built to last. It's microwave and freezer safe, which adds to its versatility in the kitchen. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so after a busy cooking session, simply toss it in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleaning. Now, while it ticks almost all the boxes, some users have mentioned that the sturdiness could be slightly improved, especially for heavier utensils. However, in my experience, it's held up well under regular use. So, wrapping it up, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen essentials with a reliable, stylish, and practical spoon rest, I highly recommend checking out the Kook Spoon Rest. It's affordable, easy to clean, and a real game-changer for keeping your kitchen organized. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.